screen asking to verify your account. Press the power key, choose Restart, and wait for the welcome panel to appear. When the welcome panel appears, hold 2 fingers on the screen to enable TalkBack. Draw an L on the screen to open TalkBack settings, then double tap to confirm. Use the shortcut by holding volume down and volume up together to disable TalkBack. Once TalkBack is disabled, scroll down and choose Help and Feedback. Tap Get Started with Voice Access and play the video, then find and stop the clock. Tap Accept and continue, then No thanks to use the browser. Enter the website hardreset.info and search for Android 8.0. Download the Google Account Protection Bypass tool, then tap Continue and Allow. Open the file, tap Settings, Allow from this source, and install the app. Open Google Account Manager and install the second app. Tap Bypass, then Browser Sign In and sign in with any Google account. After signing in, press the power key, tap Restart, and wait for the welcome panel. Go through the setup, skip SIM card insertion and Wi-Fi connection. Skip data transfer and device protection. The device is now activated, but to fully remove FRP, perform a hard reset. Go to Settings, System, Reset Options, Factory Data Reset. Confirm and wait for the operation to complete. After the reset, go through the setup again and skip all options. The device is now fully unlocked without a Google account. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and leave a thumbs up.